Hello dear students, it's 1 minute with Shubhajyoti. Today we are going to learn about English trick on English grammar. Okay, particularly its language. So how to make plural, and we are going to learn about the exception. Okay, what is the general rule? By adding "-ish" or "yes", this is the general rule. So if we look at the example, in the singular toy or fly, then to make it plural, "-ish" or "yes", toys and flies, so "s" and "es". Now what is the exception? See, if any word in singular ends with f or fe, like wolf or wife, fe, then it takes ves. Ves how? F instead of or in place of f. That means f instead of v instead of f, then added with es. This is how ves to make it plural. So wolf or wife, then wolves or wives. This is how it is changed. Okay. That's all for 1 minute. Thank you.